Imagine sitting in a dental chair, bracing yourself for the dreaded sound of the drill. That high-pitched whine isn't just annoying, it's a major source of anxiety for countless patients, often keeping them from getting the care they need. But what if we could redesign the dental drill to make it less terrifying? This is exactly what Dr. Tomomi Yamada, an assistant professor at the University of Osaka's Graduate School of Dentistry, is tackling head-on. Her groundbreaking research, presented at the 6th Joint Meeting of the Acoustical Society of America and Acoustical Society of Japan in Honolulu, Hawaii, dives deep into the acoustics of dental drills to uncover why they trigger such fear, and how we can fix it. Dental anxiety, or odontophobia, is more than just a psychological hurdle. It's a barrier that prevents people from maintaining proper oral health. While many factors contribute to this fear, the sound of the dental drill stands out as a universal culprit. Yamada's journey into this field began with a simple observation: despite its impact, the problem of drill noise was largely unaddressed, even by experts in the field. I realized that almost no one, not even dentists, was tackling this sound problem scientifically, she explains. This realization sparked her mission to bridge the gap between dental practice and acoustic engineering. To unravel the mystery of the drill's deafening whine, Yamada and her team from the University of Osaka, Kobe University, and National Chinkung University turned to Japan's most powerful supercomputer. They conducted large-scale aeroacoustic simulations to analyze the drill's internal and external airflow. Here's where it gets fascinating. The drill, powered by compressed air, spins at a staggering 320,000 revolutions per minute. These simulations revealed how air movement through and around the drill generates its distinctive noise. But here's where it gets controversial, Yamada notes. Simply making the drill quieter isn't enough. What truly matters is improving its sound quality. This insight challenges the conventional approach to noise reduction and opens up new possibilities for design innovation. The team didn't stop at simulations. They tested the psychological effects of the drill's high-pitched sounds, which can reach nearly 20 kHz, on both children and adults. The results were eye-opening. Younger listeners perceived the sounds as louder and more unpleasant. And this is the part most people miss, Yamada adds. Children's fear of dental sounds isn't just psychological, it's physiological. They genuinely hear these sounds differently, making their fear a real sensory response, not just imagination. This finding underscores the urgency of creating a drill that's not only quieter but also less jarring to sensitive ears. Yamada and her colleagues are now working on optimizing the drill's blade geometry and exhaust port to minimize noise without compromising performance. However, this isn't just a technical challenge, it's an industry-wide shift. Achieving a balance between performance and safety is key, Yamada emphasizes. A quieter drill won't do the job if it's not effective. To bring this technology to market, the team plans to collaborate with dental manufacturers through industry-academia partnerships, ensuring the necessary regulatory and durability testing is completed. But here's the question we leave you with: if we can redesign the dental drill to be less intimidating, could it revolutionize how patients experience dental care? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this innovation could make a difference, or is dental anxiety too deeply rooted to overcome? Yamada's work is a bold step forward, but it's just the beginning of a conversation that could reshape the future of dentistry.